All right, so today I'm going to do a little test here, and this is on a product we use called Guardian. It is a carpet protector and fortifier. Sometimes it has the Pro Fresh scent in it, and sometimes it doesn't. The one I've got right now is unscented, but you know what it is. If you've heard of Scotch guarding or carpet protector, you kind of think, well, all right, maybe that works, maybe it doesn't work. People have had it done, and then you get something spilled on your couch and nothing happens, and you're thinking, why in the world did I spend all that money on that? Well, we're gonna test this stuff out here, and we're gonna see, does this carpet protector, the one that we use, Guardian, does it work? And so I'm gonna take this clean paper towel here, just took it off the roll, and I'm gonna spray it with some of the Guardian mix here, okay? And then we're gonna let it dry, okay? And then we're gonna see if it will resist stains or resist water. So what we're trying to see here is it gonna bubble up when we put water on it or some kind of liquid? Is it gonna bubble up on the fabric just like that? So I'm going to pause this now, and I'll come back to it, and we'll put some water on this, and we'll determine whether this protector works, because if it does, then this paper towel should be nice and safe and shouldn't absorb anything. So we'll see. I've never done this before, but I've seen it, and I thought, you know what, if it really works that good, if I'm going to recommend it for my clients, I want them to know that it really does work. So this is a new product we're trying here, and let's see. Let me take the recommended time for it to dry here, and then we'll try our experiment. Okay, so we're going to continue our little experiment here now. Waited about 4 hours for this to dry, and this is our treated with our Guardian protector piece of paper towel, and this is a piece of paper towel that is not treated, and this is just a cup of red tea. A nice lovely flavor there. That would be fun to accidentally spill on something. You'd probably get a nice stain like that, and trying to get those stains out would not be fun. Alright, so what happens if we put it on our treated? Does it soak in the same? Unbelievable. You look at that right there. Oh, it's just bubbled up. That's giving you time to run, grab a paper towel or something like this, soak it up, and it's gone. So no lie, this stuff is unreal. And what it does, you know, is it changes the surface tension, and creates a strong barrier so the beading can occur. So, you know, if you get a liquid that's spilled and has an acid dye in it, the liquid that's beading on the top of the carpet can be easily absorbed. So, you know, other spills, you know, could also be blotted out easily, like maybe you've got a dog accident or a spill from a child or something like that. But I think that really gives you a great demonstration of what can happen. Let's just do it again, just because it's so unbelievable. So look at that, just bubble up right there. And then you can go get some other paper towel that's completely soaked. Grab another paper towel here. Good thing I'm in my kitchen here, and just blot it up. Gone, just like that. So anyway, Guardian protector, you have it as an add-on. Spray it on after carpet or furniture fabric, put it on after it's clean. We'll help you. We'll give you that time you need to get your fabric cleaned, and you know, it's pretty amazing. So have peace of mind, and you know, it's going to help you out a lot.